Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with another haul from Creative Memories, and this is something that has been long awaited. As many of you know, I was in Creative Memories many years ago, and they had different cutting systems, and I really loved the smaller little like picture trimmer. You know, it was very small, compact, had a drawer, you could put stuff in it. So I've always loved it. I used that until it just couldn't even function anymore. I had it for over 20 years. So then I picked up a new one. It works beautifully. I also picked up because when I went to the crop last year, I did not have, the trimmer I took was a one from, I think, Target. It didn't hold up. The blade popped off. I got there. I just didn't have anything. So one of the sweet ladies said, here, use mine. And I could not use hers the whole crop. And so now, who is now a sweet friend, sold one of these, and I got the last trimmer. So I grabbed one really quickly, and I began to use it. It's an okay trimmer. It wasn't the best trimmer. It's the one that I take with me traveling. And I will tell you, you know, Creative Memories had gone through a lot of transition. Pardon me. They were bringing things back slowly. And now, my sweet friends, they have a new and a much better improved trimming system. So this is now the one I take when I travel. So if I beat it up, I break it or whatever, and I can still get replacement blades for it, I don't care. Because now, I'm going to show you what I got. It's really amazing. I have been waiting and waiting. It was supposed to come back, I thought early June, and I thought, oh man, I wish we would have it for the, you know, the big crop coming up. But it came yesterday. So, oh, I've got some new product catalogs. That's so cute. Okay, I've got to go through that later, and I will. Okay, right now I'm just trying to get things unpacked and repacked so I can take them on my trip. So, here we go. Creative Memories 12-inch rotary trimmer. Okay, I'm going to close all this up so I can move around here. Hold on one second, guys. All right, now, I am so excited. I think I'm almost like shaking it so good. This is a 12-inch trimmer. Yes. It's all brand new. So they had a release earlier, sold out immediately. They began this one. It sold out. They're now going to have, if I read the advisor newsletter correctly, they're going to have another one, another two, I believe. I think there's two more coming. So they can't keep these in stock. And of course they have to be shipped, because they're a little bit heavier, they have to be shipped a certain way to the headquarters. So anyways, it's worth the wait. That's all I can say. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Look. So it comes with, oh my goodness. I don't even, there's a video. I should just link the video that Creative Memories did because they're going to be so much better than me. But look. So it extends out to 16 inches. 16! And you're probably thinking, well, what do you need 16 inches for? I will tell you that I have had projects that I have needed a longer cutting measurement, and I've had to use like a mat, which is fine, but they already added it. It's also the really good blade, like the heavy duty Fiskars. And it's not as heavy as I think the Fiskars, but it's looking good. And this pops open, and here's the blade. So, my sweet friends, you don't get cut. When you pop it open, there's a little plastic piece in there that pushes down the blade. And then you cut, and you don't even have to push. It takes care of it for you. And the other beauty, okay friends, you get different blades. There's other blades, I know. And I thought I ordered another blade. I'll have to look. It wasn't in the box, so maybe it's coming later. I've got to read. Well, hold on, let me just check right here. Well, it says it's in here. I'll have to see where I put it. I probably just missed it. I was so excited. So then you can store your blades under here. So, they have like a wavy one, they have a decal one, they have a stitch one. I know. It's so stinking fun. Yeah, the only thing, oh, here it is. Here they are. Here they are. I just missed them, silly me. because they literally package these packages so well that everything is protected. They do such a great job. I mean, sometimes you get what you pay for. I got to be honest. And there are times I want to save money. And because I'm an advisor, I already save money on my purchases. Hence the reason I do it. And then I share with other people. Like, I literally cannot go into my dental office this time without a handful of these. They were like, where's your catalogs? And it was the one day I didn't have any in the car because I don't really work this business. I mean, it's people call me. And so it's so sweet, but, oh, I got it upside down. Creative Memories product catalog. So I go see my dentist. When do I go see them? I think it's into July. Anyways, they were working me and they kept calling me to make an appointment. So we've been to them for it's 25 years. Yeah, they've been our dentist. So anyways, our son was a baby in a little carrier. And anyways, they have just been family to us. They are so sweet. And so last time I went in, they were like, I had on a Creative Memories jacket. And they were like, do you sell Creative Memories? I said, yeah. I'm an advisor. Yeah. And they were like, where are your catalogs? And I was like, well, you want to just go to my website? No. We want a catalog. And I thought, this is a company and a project that you use your hands, you touch paper, you know, everything. Of course you want to see a catalog. I love to like dog-ear catalogs and circle and make my wish list. I mean, I totally get it. So I will be taking these to my dental office. Hopefully they will still want them. They were so sweet about it. So anyway, so here are the other two blades. And there's one that they've had to back order, which I'm fine. I've got it in time for the crop. So this is the scoring blade, which you all know what that is. And that just scores your paper. So let's see if I can pop it up. Interesting. So, okay. So this is the scoring blade. And then this is the decal blade. Let's see. This is a trimmer blade scoring, trimmer blade decal. So oh yeah, here we go. So that's the cut. And there's the score on that one. And hands down, guys, look, it even has it here. And they're each a different color. Oh my goodness. They make it totally user-friendly. So there's the decal mark. This one has that kind of a wavy cut. And then this one is just the straight blade. And I've forgotten how many cuts. It's hundreds and hundreds of cuts for each blade. So, and I may even be underestimating that. Hold on one second. Maybe it'll say on here really quick. It shows you how to change blades, but I've already showed you that. Each number can cut 500 times for a total of 2,500 cuts before you must change the cutting mat. And then each blade can cut 200. So the cutting mat they're talking about is, hold on, this little mat in here. That's replaceable. Look, you just lift it up and replace it. Seriously, how long-term is this particular trimmer? It's amazing. So I'm going to put my straight one back in. I'm going to put my decal one. So evidently we can store them. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. So what do you think they're going to do with all these other slots? Yes, there's going to be more blades. It's going to be a total cutting system. Okay, can you tell I'm excited? This is going with me. Woohoo! Okay, I can't not have you here and not cut a piece of paper. So hold on, let me see. Okay. No, I don't want to cut Yupo paper. Hold on. Here, let's just cut the receipt. Okay. So we just line it up. Say I want to have a 2-inch cut. Here we go. I go to the 2-inch marker and go down. And of course you have the grid here you can work with. Oh my gosh, it's like butter. I was like actually pushing and you didn't even have to hardly do any, I mean, okay, can you tell I'm excited? I'm sorry, guys. It's just so fun to see Creative Memories. I want them to do well. I just do. And they're such an amazing company. And, You know the biggest reason I'm going to this retreat this weekend, or to this crop, is that when I go there, my cup gets poured out into many different lives. And I've been in the hole for a while, as you guys know. And when I go in there, I don't have to say anything, but my cup is filled up. It's full of Christians and amazing women, and I'm trying to think, did we have any men last year? I don't think we had any men. It was all women. It was a huge convention center filled with people, and it was just amazing. I mean, I just keep saying that word, amazing, but these women were so giving. We had 3 people who came from headquarters. I know we're having one. I'm not sure. There's hint. When I was reading, I think I was getting the idea there may be more than one. So, anyways, it's a great company. I can't say anything more than that. So, anyways, it's just when I went last time, I was excited. When I'm going this time, it's just joy. That's all it is. It's just joy. It's a quiet, peaceful joy. So, and they have tons of giveaways. They have Girl Scouts come in and they make all the meal, or they make some of the meals, not all of them. It's just this amazing, you just feel community in this group of women. And like literally that gal giving me her trimmer, I was like, I can't take your trimmer. And so I had taken a stack of like gift cards to say thank you to the ladies who put it on. And the gal who lent me her trimmer, she'd also helped put it on. I kind of stuck it in her bag. I didn't know she knew my name. And she came back over and she gave me a gift of one of the products. I was like, no, I didn't give you that to get a gift. I just wanted to say thank you. And I didn't really want you to know who it was. And you know, they were small gift cards, but it was enough to go get a coffee and you know, a little something extra. And I was just like, who does that? Who turns around and goes out of their way to say thank you like that? Seriously. And every single one of those ladies came and gave me a hug. And I'm just, you know, it's nice to see people be nice. And it's nice to be nice to other people who love receiving it and giving it. Again, cup got full, overflowing. So anyways, okay, so I'm going to cut one more. I'm going to let you go. But Creative Memories it's La Familia. It is. It's like what I think of San Antonio. Look at that cut. I don't know if you can see. Oh my goodness. And it was no effort whatsoever. You just push down a little bit. It's so easy, even people like me. And I push hard on these other cutters because they don't cut clean. That cuts as clean as I've ever, I mean, I don't know that I've seen anything cut that clean. Even my Fiskars, even my heavy duty Fiskars that cuts chipboard. Okay guys, that's it. There you go. There is the new Creative Memories cutting system. It is the 12-inch trimmer. It will sell out quickly, so if you want one, get on my website and try to, you know, click on it. And if not, send an email to me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com, and I will make sure to watch when they get restocked, and I will email you because they let us know. Sometimes they let us know like a day or two ahead, or they just say it's coming. So, you know, pretty soon it's coming, but I will send you an email and let you know to keep an eye out, and you can hop on and get one before that set sells out, and then the next set comes in. So anyways, it's a new product. Man, they have knocked it out of the park, hands down. Look at that, gorgeousness. Okay. It's the little things that make me happy in life, can you tell? All right, my friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are a fan of Creative Memories, leave a message below of what you like. I love Creative Memories. I've loved it for many, many years. It's been almost, I was thinking it's been 27 years of Creative Memories. Yeah, I had forgotten that. Yeah, 27 years. Goodness gracious. Man, do I feel old. But anyways, I was pregnant with my son. All right, my dear sweet friends. Like, subscribe, share. Join us. Be a part of this crazy, fun, encouraging, hopefully encouraging channel. We'd love to pray for you. We'd love to encourage you. That's what this channel's all about. So, and sometimes it's fun just to laugh over something as silly as a Creative Memories trimmer. How's that? So, all right, my dear sweet friends. Again, blessed, creative, and lovely day. And creative day. Go make something fun today. Even if it's just cutting a piece of paper. You know, even use your scissors. It's no big deal. Or, whoops, pardon me. Or just tear and write a note to someone and shush it up and have fun. All right. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.